When we first started looking for commercial space, the space was a concrete shell, there was nothing here. And we were looking at $350,000 to build it out. We looked at programs that could help us, and the Great Streets Grant Program was one of them, a program that helps small businesses start on a successful note. This is a business where you bring joy to people. It made me think, how am I going to benefit the community? Because that was a huge part of the program. My biggest inspiration, which is the children's program. We started this program this year and it's been growing and becoming very successful, and it's super inspirational because you see little kids grow into little dancers and focusing on something positive in their life. I'm extremely grateful to the Great Streets Grant Program and the DC Mayor's office. I'm living my dream and I could not have asked for more.